Why don't I have a Lamborghini? Let's talk about it. Hey, I'm Kyle. I talk about money, and if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and share this video. I went on Car Gurus the other day and found a 2018 Lamborghini for $199,000. I can't afford it, and if I were a different person, I'd probably buy it. It would look cool on a YouTube video, and plus it would probably give me more credibility when talking about money. But I'd rather show you my trading accounts instead of a car. The issue isn't that I can afford it. The issue is if I want to throw my money away to show off. That's what a Lambo's for anyway. I thought about this for a bit and determined that I'd need an income of at least $2 million a year before I'd buy a Lambo. Income and not net worth, because net worth is what grows your income, and you want to avoid touching that at all costs. Income is what's provided to you in exchange for your time and effort. That's a difference. I wouldn't even put my net worth into the equation. But where's my Lambo? Or better yet, where's my expensive car? I don't have an expensive car. The car I drive today is a 2006 BMW X3. That's probably on its last legs. I used to have a 2002 Mercedes C230 compressor up until 2017, and then I gave it to my uncle. I could lease a car, I could buy a newer car, but then again, I could use what I have and continue to grow my money. You see big YouTubers driving their nice cars, saying how you have to hustle every day. Maybe they rented it or they leased it just they can get more followers. I can't do that. Even if I had the money, it would be inauthentic of me to talk about financial prudence and then drive away in a $200,000 car. That would give you the wrong idea of money. We're all led to believe money is there so we can spend it on nice things like a Lamborghini. But if you want to create more of it, you need to think differently. Money is there to help you create more money. Think of money and investing as one and the same. When you start, you have little of it, but investing and work slowly builds that up, and then you use that money to, like employees, to create more money, which means more help, compounding year after year until you have an avalanche of money. My net worth is hovering at around $550,000 right now. Let's say I bought that $200,000 Lamborghini tomorrow. That would cut my net worth down to $350,000. I don't count the Lambo as an asset, even though its depreciation value is slower than a normal car. I consider it a liability, since it ultimately does the same job as a car that's worth $2,000. If instead I passively invest my money in the S&P 500 index, which historically has returned around 9% per year, in 5 years that $200,000 would be $307,000. In 10 years that'll be $473,000. I could buy a Lambo then and still have almost $200 to play with. In 20 years, when I'm 49 years old, that $200,000 would be worth $1.1 million. In 20 years, that 2018 Lambo won't be worth nearly as much as that. That's the power of thinking long term. And that doesn't just go for over-the-top luxury items. That goes for every expense. Every expense you make today is an abandoned investment. We're so concerned about impressing other people with our wealth or perception of it. That's why people who can't afford many things still buy expensive purses, expensive clothes, high-end watches, $2,000 cell phones, just to get a taste of that guy on that YouTube video who drives around in a Lamborghini. Stop for a moment and seriously consider what better use you can do with your money. That piece of advice is worth more than a Lambo. That's something to think about. If you want to take care of your money, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you stay up to date on when new videos come out. Also, check out my other videos on personal finance, business, and investing. Until next time, I'm Kyle, and thanks for watching.